Hey guys, TechMentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tap your phone to activate or use the flashlight on your iPhone. Now, this is a cool feature that you can use by just simply tapping on the back glass, either double or triple, it'll activate the flashlight. So let's show you how that's done. So if you want to use this feature, first thing is go into your setting of your iPhone. From there on, we're going to go to accessibility, right? And then click on touch here. From touch, you're going to go all the way down here where it says back tap. We're going to click on it. Now, if you want a double or a triple tap, you can pick either or. I'll go with double just to make it simple. And in order to activate flashlight, we'll select flashlight and then go back on back tap. Ensure that it says flashlight. And this time, if I double tap, I should activate my flashlight just like that. So you can see here, it's pretty cool. You can go ahead and use that, and you'll see here the flashlight will be turned on every time you back tap on the glass on your iPhone, and then it will also turn off by double tapping as well, just like that. And you can go ahead and use that, and I hope this quick video was helpful. If so, please do consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.